Okay, now in this video I'm going to talk about some illustration, like with the help of example we try to understand. Like suppose this matrix is given, this matrix A is given 1 2 3, this is 4 6 and 7. Okay, this matrix is given, and first I'll write the order of this matrix. So this is R1 row, this is R2, this is column C1, this is column C2, and this is column C3. This is R1, this is R2. So how many rows are there? 2 rows are there. And how many columns are there? 1 2 and 3. 3 column are there. Okay, now I need to find out, the question is find out 2 of A, means this matrix need to multiply by 2. So multiply by 2 means this matrix, each element is going to be get multiplied by 2. So 1, I'll write 2, and then 3, this is 4 6 and 7. Now I need to multiply the each element inside the element which is present inside the rectangular array by 2. So 2 by 2 by 2, this is by 2. I have multiplied each element by 2 because I need to find out over here 2 times of a matrix. Okay, so this is 2, this is 2 times 2 4, this is 2 times 3 6, this is 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 6 is 12, 2 times 7 is 40. So I have calculated 2 times of a particular matrix. So whatever is given, that we need to calculate. Like suppose for example, now for the same matrix, you need to find out like half of R2. Half of R2 means over here, like the matrix, I'll write one more time so you can see the picture clearly. Okay, 3 and 7. Here in the previous, what I asked to find out the 2 times of particular matrix, but here what I am asking, half of R2. Half of R2. R2 means it is, I am talking about the second row. Second row needs to multiply by half. Correct. So I am going to multiply BC, and R1 row will remain unaffected, will remain the same. So 1 2 3 is going to be the same. Okay, where I need to make the changes, I need to make the changes in R2 row. R2 row, each element is going to get multiplied by half. So first I'll write the element, this is 4, this is 6 and this is 7. Now I need to multiply by half, so I'm going to multiply by half. This is half and this is half. Okay, now after multiplication of half, now I need to simplify. So this I am going to simplify, 1 2 and 3, this 4 divided by 2, so 2, this 6 divided by 2, so 3. This you can write, upside is 7 and downside is going to be 2, because 7 is not perfectly divisible by 2. So either you can write 7 by 2 in the fractional form, or otherwise you can, if you wish, you can write 3.5. But 3.5 we usually don't write the fractional number in the matrix. We avoid, it's not we can't write, we can write because it's also a representation of numbers, of real numbers. So we can write all types of number, but the thing is only we prefer the means decimal numbers. We avoid writing decimal number, we can write the fractional number. Okay, so here this and this, why we avoid the decimal number, why we prefer the fractional number, that we later on you will see the use of it. Okay, so now I'm going to write one more, like suppose if it is given, like matrix is given, A is equals to 2 3 4 and 6. This matrix order is R1 and R2. R1, this is R2. How many rows are there? 2 rows are there. And how many columns? 2 columns are there. So this matrix order is going to be 2 by 2. Now I am going to write what I need to find out for this particular matrix. I need to find out half of R1. Second, I am going to find 2 times of R2, and third time I am going to find negative of R1, negative 1 of R1. So first time what I am going to do, I am going to multiply in this matrix first row by half. Okay, this is R1, represent R1 means first row. What I need to do, I need to multiply by half, so the second row is going to be unaffected. So that I have written. Now here the changes are going to come, so I am going to do it over here. This I am going to multiply by half. I multiplied, and we simplify it, and we see the result. So this 2 cancel out, what is remain 1. Here this is also simplified, so 2, and this 3 and 6 will remain the same. Okay, now I am going to do this one, 2 of R2. 2 of R2 means this second row elements are going to multiply by 2. So first row will remain the same. Okay, now second row elements are going to be get multiplied by 2. So 3 into 2 and 6 into 2. Okay, multiply 2, 4. This is 2 times 3 is 6, and 2 times 6 is 12. Okay, now this third operation I am going to do, which is left. This is negative 1 R1 means first row I need to multiply by negative 1. So I am going to do it over here. Okay, this is our matrix, and in this first row I need to multiply by negative 1. So second row element are going to be the same, so I will write the second row first, and now the changes are going to be made at the place in the row R1. So R1, that is going to be multiplied by negative 1. So I have written the first R1 row element. Now I am going to multiply by negative 1 over here. This is 2 times negative 1, negative 2, 4 times negative 1, negative 4. This is 3, and this is 6. So this is going to be the answer. So we have seen such operation, and more operation we will see in the next video.